After a lifelong admiration and appreciation for the structure and the power of a truss bridge, I wanted to build one for my layout. This is the story of building and painting this truss bridge. Now you'll have to go into the earlier parts to see it all, but this is the painting and the final assembly, some of the details of the bridge. I've always admired them. I think they're beautiful, and they're amazingly strong for as spindly as they look. It's an amazing geometric design, and the power of steel is really pretty impressive. Anyway, this is my bridge. Here I am finding the center. Start out with a very small drill bit. Gradually increase in size. That way you can stay in the middle. Filling in the hole for the pin. I used tubing, and then I used a rod to fill the middle of the tube. Then I whittled away the excess, trying to keep it concentric. I didn't want the bridge to look brand new, but I didn't want it to look as though it was ready for the scrap heap either. Some light weathering. So next is the deconstruction of the area the bridge is going into, and then the construction of the new landforms around it, and then installation of the bridge and redoing the track so that the track reconnects. And I'm not going to be available for a few weeks now, so we'll have to continue this when I am available again. Sorry for the discontinuance. I very much hope to have this done by the time I was going to be out, unavailable. See you when I get back. How about a thumbs up? And if you're not subscribed, how about subscribing? I've always had a few Network Southeast coaches to go with my Class 50s, and boy, I tell you what, the ones from Hornby and from Bachmann, they just never ran very well. I had huge problems with them derailing, and they particularly didn't like my super elevated curves. They hated them. Most coaches, I really don't have a problem with them. They go around those super elevated curves just fine. But these Network Southeast, the Mark 1s and Mark 2s, they just never wanted to go. But I got these new Accurascale coaches. I got 3 of them. And when I put them in my rake, I was amazed. It made the whole rake, it smoothed up the whole rake. I don't know why. I don't understand it. But things are running good now. They have lights in them too, which is kind of nice. Can't really see them now. I got a first class and a couple second class. Or tourist second open, I guess they call it. I'll bring them by again. Be back in a minute. Thank you. See you soon. Bye-bye.